Hi, it's me, K10, and check it out. We have mail. It's a letter. Let's see what it says. I love getting mail. Don't you? Oh, and look, it's a card. And it looks like they reused a card here. That's really cool. Hi, K10, it's Duncan. I am so excited for my favorite holiday. It's so spooky. Can you guess what it is? Do you know? It's Halloween. Oh yeah, I should have known. I want to make a craft that is a little spooky. Thank you, Duncan. P.S. Can it be about bats? All right. P.P.S. Don't make it too scary.
Hi there.
All right, well this is giving me a clever idea for a crafternoon. I know, we can make a bat decoration and we won't make it too scary, I promise. All right, ready to make it? Let's go! Whoa! All right, so how do we make a not spooky bat? I'm thinking we could use a toilet paper roll. I love using toilet paper rolls for crafts, and I think what we should do, cut off like a little bit of this, so maybe you could get 3 bats out of a roll. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna make 1 bat. We're just gonna cut like that, and we're gonna cut around, just like so, all the way to the beginning. Perfect. So we have this cute little roll. So the idea is that our bat's face is gonna be right here. So we'll trim this up a little bit. But first things first, I think we should make this the color of a bat. Do you know what color a bat is? A bat is black.
Actually, we come in all kinds of colors, like gray, brown, and even red. Ah, look at us. We're adorable.
So I'm gonna take some black paint. And this is fun because it's just gotta go to be 1 color. If you don't have paint, you could wrap this in construction paper, or you can make a loop of construction paper. You take like, you know, and just cover it, or you make a loop yourself, which is always fun. But today we don't need to worry about that because we have our black paint ready to go. And we don't need a lot. And this is acrylic paint, so we're just gonna go all the way around, having fun, getting this whole roll all nice and painty. You might get your fingers dirty, and that's okay because that's part of crafting. All right. And look at that. So I'm getting this all over here on the little cracks too of the roll. Isn't it cool that you can find things to craft with everywhere in your house? And things that people would just normally toss away, we can use for a craft. All right. I bet people will not even know that it is a part of a toilet paper roll anymore. All right, a little bit more. Almost done. I really like how acrylic paint just spreads so nice and easily. Oh, just painted my fingers. Check that out. All right, well, it's not a crafternoon if you have clean fingers afterwards. All right, we're almost done. And what's great is the front is almost dried, so we can keep working. All right, there we go. So, love that. Okay. So now that we have our toilet paper tube is painted black, I'm gonna pop that there for a second. What we're gonna need for our bat is, I think we should get some fangs, but we can make them cute. We'll make them cute, but I have, I keep scraps of my paper, like when I use them for other crafts, I save them for later, and I'm gonna use some white scrap paper, and we're gonna cut 2 little triangles that will be the fangs. So the way I do this, I do it in a silly way where I kind of make a gem that I cut. So I go like one way, and I go another way, and you have a triangle. Then I cut through the middle of that triangle, And then I even out these teeth. These teeth might be way too big for this. Oh yeah, that takes up half its head. Okay, let's make this smaller. See, it's about guessing and testing, really. Oh yeah, that is way more the speed of this little guy. So I'm just gonna line this up and get a fang approximately the same size. The nice thing about making these fangs is they don't have to be the exact same because we're not the exact same. Okay, I love these. Okay, so I'm gonna take some glue. And for this case, I'm gonna use a paintbrush with my glue.
Glue!
Just do a big old glob of glue. And we're gonna put these fangs on. Let's pick a nice place for the front. I think I like that for the front. Okay, we're gonna do 2 little dots like this, fang and fang. I like that word, fang. It's like, it makes me think of pointy teeth. Oh, wow, okay, that looks good already. Look at these fangs on there. Okay, so next thing we're gonna need is, you know it, some googly eyes. So, let me see what we have here. I have some little googly eyes. I got some bigger ones. Let's see how these would look. Oh, that would be cute. So let's put our googly eyes. I like the idea of putting them close together because that looks silly. Boop, 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 boop. Let's put our glue down in 2 little circles. And remember, you don't need a lot of glue because you don't want the glue kind of like smushing out from underneath. Even though, look, exactly what I did is smushing out from underneath. All right, and oh my gosh, that looks so cute. That doesn't look too spooky at all. That's really cute. Okay, so next thing I think our bat needs is some bat wings. So bat wings, we can take a piece of paper and move this one over to the side. And our bat wings are really fun to make because we get to draw some zigzags. So I'm gonna take a marker. Let me take, why not just try the pink one? So what we're gonna do is we're going to draw this wing. And this wing will be a bat wing. And it will go up and it will go down. And then when it goes down, we're going to go zig, zag, zig, zag, zig, zag. Zig. Kind of looks like a lobster claw. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're going to make 2 of them really the easiest way possible by folding this in half and cutting 2 out at once. That is a top crafternoon trick because then you are not ever having to cut things out twice. And sometimes cutting paper is challenging. Okay. Wow, this is looking really cool. Okay, so look at that. Zigzag, zigzag, zigzag. And we don't just have 1, we've got 2 bat wings. So what we're gonna do is to attach the bat wings, we're gonna fold it back on this side, so that will go on this side. Now over here, we're gonna fold it back, and that will go on this side. Great, so we're just gonna go back to our glue pile and do this, get it all over there, get that nice and sticky. And we're gonna attach that wing. Whoa, look at that, that's so fun. Squish, 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 squish. You can, if you're in a rush, you can tape this too because you really won't see the tape if you tape around. But I'm not in a rush because I am having a crafternoon. Okay, here we go. Boom. And over here. Oh, wow. All right. Check this out. We have 2 bat wings on. Not 1, but 2. And the last thing I think we need is bats have these cute little pointy points. So let's just cut 2 little triangles. That's easy enough. And since our paper's folded together, we can make them match. Although that is not necessary. So let's cut like that. Boop. We have not 1, but 2 little triangles. And so what we're gonna do is, I think they just need to poke up a little bit. So you can glue them really down low and just have them poke up. All right, put some glue on this. Can't wait to see how this looks. Oh, that is so cute. I really like this craft because it's kind of a celebration of all the triangles. And usually I don't think triangles are that cute, but this is very cute. Okay, there we go. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's just change this ear a little bit. Look at that. Oh, it's our crafternoon creation. We made a bat for Halloween that is really cute. Well, thanks for having another crafternoon with me, K10. Bye. Bye.